Welcome to this tutorial. If you are looking to stay more organized and manage your tasks effectively, today I will show you how to create a new list inside the ClickUp mobile app. This will help you structure your work. First, open the ClickUp app on your mobile device. Next, tap the Create button located at the bottom center. Next, choose the option Labeled List to begin setting up your new list. Then, enter the name you want to give your list. After that, tap on Location and select the space or workspace where you want this list to be placed. Next, tap on Color and select a color from the available options to personalize your list. Then, tap on Statuses and pick the statuses that best match how you want to track your tasks. Finally, once you have customized everything, tap on Create at the top right. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.